Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and you are watching another episode of Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. We have a very special weekend coming up. Tomorrow is April 20th, and if you are watching this show, I assume that you know what that means. And since we kind of celebrate 420 every single week on this show, I am going to make a sort of Easter-themed dessert if you want to consume cannabis on your Easter Sunday. Today we are going to make cannabis carrot cake whoopie pies. They are kind of like the carrot cake version of the peanut butter sandwich cookies we made a few weeks ago, which I will put the link in the description below because those are still one of my favorite things that I've ever made. But these carrot cake whoopie pies are also amazing. They are everything you love about carrot cake, including the cream cheese frosting, because you guys know I love cream cheese frosting, and I even had a little extra left over from this recipe, so I saved it in Tupperware in the fridge, and I'm gonna eat it on my bagel. I don't know. To start, we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and I have lined my baking sheets with parchment paper. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and your spices, which is the cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. Whisk it together and set aside. In a larger mixing bowl, cream together your regular butter, cannabis butter, and your brown sugar and your granulated sugar. Beat it together on medium speed until it's light and fluffy, and then mix in the eggs one at a time. Finally, add your vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and then fold in your carrots, coconut, and raisins by hand. I am using my handy cookie scoop to scoop out tablespoon-sized portions of the cookie batter and placing them about 1 inch apart on my prepared baking sheet. Bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the cookies are slightly golden brown around the edges. And while those cookies are cooling, we are going to make the cream cheese filling. In a bowl, beat together your cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until it is smooth and there are no more lumps. Now match your cookies according to size and shape, scoop your cream cheese filling in the middle, and sandwich the two pieces together. I am using my same tablespoon scoop that I used to scoop the cookie dough because I think it is the perfect ratio of cream cheese filling to cookie. Here is our finished cannabis carrot cake whoopie pie. Isn't it so cute? You can see the shredded carrots, you can see the raisins, you can see the coconut, and of course, I love that amazing layer of cream cheese filling. These cookies are nice and fluffy and cakey, and usually I like a chewy cookie, but because this is a carrot cake cookie, it is the exact texture of carrot cake, but in a handy little sandwich and not in a piece of cake. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get recipe sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. And I actually have a new patron from last week named Dylan, so thank you so much for joining my Patreon family, Dylan. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.